welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to Secunderabad for workshop. It's about a bike ride workshop and very excited for this. It's taking so much time, man. So finally I got the bus and it's been like 1 hour somehow. So excited for it. Even though I never drive a bike, I'm very excited. Like it's a workshop for the all ladies who want to learn. Like it feels so good. I'm feeling so good, like walking the small shops and here and there. It's like I'm coming out of comfort zone. So different. Everything is different. So I'm doing a bus ride after so many days. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I couldn't intro my video, so I reached the location and it was about the workshop bike riding, and the weather is so good today. The perfect weather, the way I like it. It's raining and it's very cool. It's not so hot, and I'm at the Paradise metro station right now. I asked people about the location, because I'm not sure about मेट्रो स्टेशन. तो यहीं पे दिखा रहा है, लोकेशन पे दिखा रहा है, बट इट्स वेरी दे टोल्ड मी दैट देयर इज़ अ गेट टू एंटर द यूनिवर्सिटी. आई थिंक दिस इज़ द यूनिवर्सिटी. दैट बिल्डिंग इज दिस, एंड दिस वर्कशॉप इज़ फ्री फॉर ऑल द लेडीज who want to ride a bike. I never ride a bike. I reach, I think this one is the gate to enter. Yeah, this is the university. This is one. भैया वर्कशॉप हो रहा है ना यहाँ पे? वर्कशॉप राइड बाइक राइडिंग वर्कशॉप इसमें ही हो रहा है. अरे टेलिंग में तो गो दिस वे, पर कोई दिख नहीं रहा है मेरे को. सो मैं पहुँच गई शायद. I was just scrolling through the Facebook and I found this workshop. I can see only 2 people over. So I'm here at the location, but I'm the first who reached here. I'm never be late. Wow, always come on time. So we're waiting for the other members to come and the person who's gonna teach us. I'm not sure if they're gonna teach us about the ride today because it's a free workshop. So this is the university, I guess, and they are already. I did not have my breakfast also because I was so excited, and usually I wake up around 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, but today I woke up so early, like 6 o'clock. Oh my god, to attend this workshop.
Now I will just put on it Sham. So I will just grab this, which is very close to me. I will grab this, which is close to me. Then I will put in tire first. Now I will shift my body back. Then one.
Stand down the whole forgot the first step.
Okay. So I was very. Two more? Okay. 3 more. Okay, all right.
So much.
4 more.
That at home, not really. I have never taken.
Our session is finished now and I'm going back to home. I'll go by metro. I have got the ticket. Now I'll go. मैंने metro का पास ले लिया and अरे it's not walking or what? Great session, whatever he said about. Here's from my metro. The workshop was so good. It was so good. I got got to meet so many new people, and they were all passionate about riding a bike, and some really want to go for the Leh Ladakh trip, and it was so good. You know, this is like my first time I really got to meet so many passionate women out there, and there are also the married women who really want to pursue their dream of going to Leh Ladakh. Office here. So glad to attend the today's workshop, and it was so good. I met so many passionate lady over there, and everyone want to ride a bike and they want to go for the Leh Ladakh, and I really want to try it. Looks so good. You know, today I really feel like eating dosa, sambar, and now I'm feeling so hungry, and I need to find some place to eat, but before going to home, because I have to go and get some vegetables for today. Some dosa, because I want to eat. Stop here to have something before going home, because I'm very hungry right now. So I've ordered idli and dosa, and that is idli. After a long time I'm having a idli and dosa. Like, this is my first time I'm eating alone in a restaurant and people are staring at me. But it's fine. And I really want to try idli and dosa because कितना दिन हो गया यार नहीं खाया हुआ. Good. With my breakfast, like it's kind of brunch. I'm waiting for my Ola bike to come and I will go home. Hey, Ola, okay? Bobby to boल. I got vegetables also. My vlog over, guys. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and comment.